ACU farm, we take waste vegetable oil from the French fry cooker and the bean, ACU cafeteria, and mix it with methanol and a catalyst, and then we let it react for about an hour and a half, and it makes biodiesel. I remembered each flash. This is the container that we pour our waste vegetable oil in. You can see some of the sludge material from the waste vegetable oil on the top, and this is a screen that strains it, and then down inside the container is the strained vegetable oil that we use as our starting material to make the biodiesel.
We get waste vegetable oil from the bean here at ACU, the cafeteria, and we put it in our reactor, and then we mix it with methanol and potassium hydroxide, which is just a base. And when those all react together, we heat them, and it makes biodiesel and soap. And so we drain off the soap and wash it off with water, and then we have biodiesel, and it has to pass 3 tests, and if it passes, we can use it in cars and things like that.
This is a pump, and by turning the pump on and using various valves, we can pump the waste vegetable oil up into this container, and then we mix it with methyl alcohol, wood alcohol, methanol, and some strong base, some potassium hydroxide, which acts as a catalyst, and then we run the reactor. Now, running the reactor means that we turn the pump on, and it circulates the reaction mixture in this container here, and given about an hour and some heat, it will convert the methanol and waste vegetable oil mixture into biodiesel and glycerin. Glycerin with some soap that's a byproduct, as well as any unused methyl alcohol, and the catalyst material is waste material, and it gets drained off into these containers here, and we will reprocess that to extract the alcohol to use it again, and then what's left can be used as compost material. And so we're taking waste vegetable oil and mixing it with methanol, making either fuel and the waste, or waste materials which can be used as compost material for fertilizer. And so we are basically, instead of throwing the oil away, we're converting it into usable materials, and it's a very environmentally sound process.
I really think this is a very useful project. It takes a common waste product that you can find everywhere that normally would just have to be disposed of, and it is processed and returned into a useful form. And we all recognize the need for recycling, and especially when it gives us an energy source. We're always needing that, and so it helps to at least perpetuate the usefulness of our system as it is now.
We're real excited about it. We've begun using some of the biodiesel in one of the tractors here on Roden Farm, and it's working very well. We continue to develop the process, and we hope to continue to improve the process so that we can do some good.